Magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair, beautiful. Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples. They just get bad press, so they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all. But I can't judge, I just reflect. So what you see is what you get. You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge. I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all. But I can't judge, I just reflect. So what you see is what you get.
Hello, darling.
See how it worsens? Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven.
devious,
Creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one!
Made it through.
Hello, my darling! That's me! She doesn't scare you, won't keep a big wheel. I'm true. To see her is to take a sudden chill. I'm full of surprises. Yes, everyone knows my name. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darling! You see? And some of you do understand me. You look marvelous in blue. On her fair lips, you see starry eyes in her stare. All innocent children, and better beware. She's hot as spider web for the kill. Look out for the Cruella de Vil. Is it my fault I have a flair for fashion? Or that the puppies stirred my passion? Darlings, great artists are always misunderstood. It's enough to make one see spots! I'm ready for my close-up. Yes! Oh, yes! How rude!
But true. Excuse me.
Excuse me, doesn't scare you. Keep your cameras ready to see her in the tasty. The big finish. Let me hear you. Yes. The most misunderstood of all.
I tell you, incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
I know you're in there.
Oh, no.
Clearly, I'm the one.
I have told you, I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you. Really?
There isn't a one who won't have fun or for Captain Hook. The world's most famous crook! I finally made it through the glass. Oh, why, hello. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. Let Brad Peter Pan gets all the attention. You're too late. Even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you boo me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that, answering to, oh, let me see, no one. Sing! So try the life of a thief, discover the life of a crook. There isn't one who wouldn't have fun working for Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook. We're having so much fun, aren't we? Enough fun. Look here. A special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. It's like money in the bank. Come on, join us, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you walk the plank. The choice is up to you. The choice is up to you. More fun? Yes, Smee taught me this one. Hello. Magic mirror on the wall. Who's the most misunderstood? Why me? That's all. You're allowed to laugh at a thief. You're allowed to rather slip a crook. There's plans of fun for everyone. You'll get challenged by the time. What? So come inside the book. Join up with Captain Hook. Where was I? Save me!
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten, left off the list, omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending, except you? Misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. Aurora, was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood. Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
Perfect. They've seen the light. It's never wrong to make things right. You heard me once, when you did once.
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
It never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello? She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's Hallmark and not cat?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Oh, hey, whoever's knocking, get on. I was here first. Okay.
I'm here ready to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
What's that?
Cats and their fancy cars don't give you so much as a sideways glance.
Oh no, more than
Tell me about it.
I really want to believe this guy.
I am the Grand Vizier, Wonderful!
He's got fun. This guy.
Oh, that it has come to this.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattering. Again. Too many. Must end. But you. Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them. Choose the most misunderstood. But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
I'm original, darling, not a criminal.
Cruella de Vil. Or shout for the world's most famous crook.
I've got barrels of fun for everyone!
Captain Hook.
Scream! Louder! Brownie of me hearties now!
Or scream in a deviant upheaval.
My curse produced true love. I must tell you my glittering assemblage.
Never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. misunderstood of all? Captain Hook!
Victory! Who's the cornfish now, Peter Pan? Now you're all part of the crew! Sing! So try the life of a thief, the same for the life of a crook. There is only one who wouldn't upon the work of a Captain Hook, the world's most famous crook! I'm cunning, vengeful, and misunderstood! You've made your choice, now don't forget. And what you see is what you get.
They chose. Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well,
no!
But aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
The villain always gets the last laugh. You've made your choice now, don't forget it. What you see is what you get.
Oh no.
You did your bidding rather